It's been way too long since any of the major players released any graphics cards. Like, there's a pretty big drought going on of anything interesting in the GPU space right now. But when the internet heard that AMD are finally releasing a new graphics card, but it's an ultra budget RX 9050 with just 4GB of VRAM, then the reaction was about what you'd expect. However, that is just part of the story, because there's also an 8GB variant. So no, don't worry, there is actually a slightly more, well, usable version of the 9050 on the horizon as well. However, it gets even more complicated. You see, the 4GB version appears to be OEM only. So if you're a smart customer who hates wasting money and just builds your own PC anyway, that's not something you have to worry about. However, for the people that do want to buy pre-builds, well, you gotta feel sorry for them, because you can guarantee that all of these SIs are gonna be hiding the fact that they're shipping PCs with a 4GB variant. And to be fair, just because it is OEM doesn't mean it will stay that way. Guys like ASRock have been even making public-facing pages to promote this 4GB variant, only to then like backtrack and delete them or something. Like, the whole situation right now about this whole reveal is super confusing. But okay, let's get down to the specifics. What on earth even is this thing? Well, AMD claims that it's powerful enough to run Cyberpunk at around 100 FPS at medium settings at 1080p. So there's that, and the 8GB variant will run on a 128-bit bus, plus the whole thing will require just a single 8-pin for power. So while that doesn't sound too awful for a budget card, when you see the price, well, it's a whole other story, because it appears that it will be priced at around $280. Yeah, by comparison, that's even more than RTX 5050 when that first launched. And people complain that even that card was too expensive for what it actually offered. So no matter if it's the 8GB version or the 4GB version, this card has produced so little hype so far despite this massive GPU drought that I'm just bored of talking about it already, pretty much. So I want to hear your thoughts about it down in the comments below. Are you still planning on buying it even at $280? Or what kind of price should it be at to actually be worth it, both for the 8GB and the 4GB version? Well, let me know down in the comments below, and while you're at it, maybe also check out Patreon, because it's a lot more sensibly priced. Plus, huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Just a Rage, I Love Ronyak, Balish Roken, Other Pseudonym, Mexon, Shane Allcroft, and Mason Magruder. But anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.